planning a Christmas gift exchange.
I was thinking it'd be fun to do a gift exchange for Christmas this year. What do you think?
That's a great idea. Should we do Secret Santa or a white elephant?
Secret Santa is more personal. Plus, everyone gets a specific gift.
Agreed. How do we draw names?
I found an online generator. Everyone can get their assignment by email.
Perfect. Should we set a budget?
Yes, let's keep it around $30. It's reasonable but still enough for a nice gift.
Agreed. Should we suggest gift ideas or leave it open?
Maybe we can have everyone list a few things they'd like. It makes shopping easier.
Good idea. Should we set a theme, like cozy gifts or DIY items?
Cozy sounds great. Scarves, candles, hot chocolate kits, stuff like that.
Love it. When should we do the exchange?
How about the weekend before Christmas? Most people should be free.
Perfect. Should we make it a party with food and games?
Yes, we could do appetizers, desserts, and a holiday punch.
I can handle the desserts. Should we add a dress code?
Let's do ugly Christmas sweaters. It'll make it more fun.
Awesome. Should we include a small prize for the best sweater?
Great idea. Maybe a gift card or a festive mug.
Love it. Should we also play some holiday games, like Christmas trivia?
Yes, and maybe charades with holiday movie titles.
Perfect. I'm so excited for this. Everyone's going to love it.